The Mikoyan MiG-29 is a twin-engine jet fighter aircraft designed in the Soviet Union. Developed by the Mikoyan Design Bureau as an air superiority fighter during the 1970s, the MiG-29, along with the top speed 2,446 km per hour, range 1,430 km, weight 11,000 kg, length 17 meters. Manufacturer Mikoyan. Engine type Klimov RD-33. The Mikoyan MiG-29, Russian, Tunai, NATO reporting name, Fulcrum, is a twin-engine jet fighter aircraft designed in the Soviet Union. Variants, Mikoyan MiG-29M, Mikoyan MiG-29K, Mikoyan MiG-35. First flight, 6th October 1977. Number built, 1/600 plus. Primary users, Russian Aerospace Forces, Indian Air Force, Uzbekistan Air and Air.